Welcome. If you're someone who loves getting creative with Pinterest and wants to make sure you never miss out on their latest surveys and quizzes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to enable email notifications for Pinterest surveys and quizzes, step by step, using the latest app interface. This way, you'll always be in the loop and ready to participate whenever something new pops up. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once you're inside, you'll want to head over to your profile. To do this, look for your profile picture. It's usually at the top right corner, but sometimes it's at the bottom navigation bar, depending on your device. Tap on your profile picture, and you'll be taken straight to your personal Pinterest space. Now, you want to access your notification settings. On your profile page, look for the word notification, or the bell icon, which is the universal symbol for notifications. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the different types of notifications Pinterest can send you. Scroll through until you find the Others section. This is where Pinterest groups some of the less common notification types. Under Others, you'll see an option labeled Surveys and Quizzes. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can control how you receive these notifications. Here, you'll notice a toggle or switch next to the email option. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. That's it. Now, whenever Pinterest launches a new survey or quiz, you'll get an email alert straight to your inbox. By enabling this setting, you're making sure you never miss an opportunity to share your opinions or test your knowledge. Plus, you might even get early access to new features or exclusive content. It's a quick process that takes less than a minute, but it makes a huge difference in how you experience Pinterest. So, go ahead and give it a try. Open the app, follow the steps, and start getting notified about all the fun surveys and quizzes Pinterest has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!